Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Kumar Gautam. Today we are going to practice my English. So let's start. Hello Shiva.
How are you, Prashant?
I am fine. So do you like sing a song?
Yes, I like sing a song.
Do you fight with your with your friend?
Yes, I fight with my friends.
Do you talk with me?
Yes, I talk with you.
Do you beat your brother?
Yes, I beat my brother.
Do you broken her heart?
No, he's not broken her heart. I don't broken her heart.
Does Aman sir beat you?
No, Aman sir does not beat me.
So does Aman sir teach you?
Yes, Aman sir teach me.
Does Aman sir teach everyone or only you?
Does Aman sir teach everyone?
How many children Aman sir teach?
Aman sir teach many childrens.
How do you have any best friend in your coaching?
No, I do not have any best friend in my coaching.
Does he abuse you?
No, does he not? Don't abuse me.
Do you have any? Yes, sir. Do you like wear slipper?
Yes, I like wearing slippers.
Do you drive car?
No, I don't drive a car, but I drive a bike.
But I see you cycling cycle.
Yes, I cycling cycle.
Do you know Novi?
No, I don't. I do know we.
No. I want my friend to be here. How are you?
I am fine.
Do you like play cricket?
Yes, I like play cricket
Why do you like play cricket?
because it was good game.
Do you reach there? Reach there.
Yes, I reached there.
Do you have a baggy jeans?
No, I don't have a baggage jeans.
Do you like swimming?
No, I don't like swimming.
Do you like speak English?
Yes, I like speaking English.
Do you learn present indefinite tense?
Yes, I learn present indefinite tense.
Do you have any friend?
Yes, I have any friends.
Which friend do you have?
I have many friends.
Is he your friend?
Yes, is he my friend?
What is his name?
His name is Siva.
Do you make the start?
No, I don't make the start.
Do you drive car?
No, I don't drive car.
Why do you don't drive a car?
Because I don't know how to drive car.
Do you live sector 27?
Do you live in 27? Do you live in sector 27?
Sahabat Dairy बोल देते ना सर. Do you live in Sahabat Dairy?
Yes, I live in Savadell.
Where do you live in Sahabat Dairy?
I live in Savadell at C block.
Do you live alone with family?
मैं सर अपना क्वेश्चन कर लेता हूँ. Do you like speak English?
Yes, I like speaking English
Why do you like speak English?
because it was good.
Do you go to the market?
No, I don't go to the market
Why do you don't go to the market? Why do you not?
because I have no time.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Do you learn to another language?
No, I don't learn to any another language.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
Do you celebrate alone or with your family?
Do you celebrate alone or with your family?
I celebrate with my family.
Do you cut cake as well?
Do you cut cake as well?
Yes, I cut cake as well.
And girls.
Okay sir. And कैसे बोले sir? Thank you.
Go.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Like, subscribe and share.
Thank you. Clap.